L-Stunt Rider internazzjonali Rock Bagoros minn Radenci, Slovenja, jinsab Malta biex fit-tmiem il-ġimgħa li ġejja juri l-ħiliet tiegħu lil pubbliku motosportiv Malti f'żewġ attivitajiet b'risq Puttinu Kers. Net News iltaqa' ma' Bagoros u staqsejnieh minn fejn bdiet din il-namra.
My love for motorsports come from since I was little. I always dreamed about riding bikes and watching through the window of the local dealer. But you know, I come not really from the family that could afford that, so I need to wait for many years. When I was 15, 16 years old, I start to see that freestyle sport that I'm doing now on YouTube, and I said to myself, Rock, this is what you want to do, and you're gonna do everything to make it possible. So my love came, I would say, when I was 15 years old from YouTube. YouTube is the reason.
U għalinna kif kellu jitħabat biex jagħmel isem għalih innifsu b'differenza s-sewwieqa tal-MotoGP u l-MXGP. Fl-ewwel 4 snin beda bi-skuter u minn hemm iffirma kuntratt ma' KTM biex sar stunt rider professjonali. Staqsejnieh kif għażel li jiġi Malta.
My sponsor KTM is always texting me, Rock, would you like to go to America? Would you like to go to Colombia? And suddenly they text me, Rock, we have a event coming up in Malta, and would you like to support us on that event? So since my brother was already here 10 years ago, I hear only good stuff about Malta. There wasn't like second thought that why should I go? I just said, okay, let's go. You don't need to even to explain me why and what is happening. I just go there and we're gonna make it happen.
What do people expect next Sunday?
What they gonna expect on Sunday? Good question. They can expect a huge motorcycle rock and roll party, a lot of cool tricks. KTM prepared an awesome event beside my show. You can test the bikes, you can see new bikes, food, drinks, live music, a lot of cool stuff. So I'm really looking forward to it.
L-attività tal-ħad bl-isem ta' Rock on the Rock tibda fl-10 ta' filgħodu se tittella ġewwa l-parkeġġ ta' Taqali. Is-sewwieqa tal-muturi Maltin għandhom l-opportunità li jmorru dawra ma' Rock Bagoros nhar is-Sibt li ġej għal ħabta tas-sija u nofs ta' wara nofsinhar mix-showroom tal-KTM f'Ħattart.